Have you ever stood on the shore, looked out at the vast ocean, and wondered, where does it all end? It seems like an endless expanse of blue, right? Well, today, we're going on a journey to find the ocean's real endings. First, let us talk about the most famous meeting point, the place where the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans come together. If you've seen those incredible photos or videos, you'll notice a distinct line in the water. On one side, it's a deep blue, and on the other, it's a lighter, greenish blue. It looks like they refuse to mix, like two different worlds colliding. But what's really happening? This visible line is due to differences in water density, temperature, and salinity. The fresh water from melting glaciers in the Gulf of Alaska meets the saltier water of the Pacific. While they do eventually mix, the process is slow, creating this stunning visual boundary that looks like the end of one ocean and the beginning of another. But what about the vertical end of the ocean? Let's dive deep, way down to the bottom. The deepest part of our ocean is the Mariana Trench, and its lowest point is called the Challenger Deep. It's nearly 11,000 meters, or about 7 miles, straight down. To put that in perspective, if you placed Mount Everest at the bottom, its peak would still be more than a mile underwater. The pressure there is over 1,000 times what we experience on the surface. It's a world of complete darkness and crushing pressure, yet life, in its most bizarre and resilient forms, still thrives. This is the ultimate end of the ocean downwards, a place more mysterious to us than the surface of the moon. So, where does the ocean end? It ends where it meets another ocean with different characteristics, creating a temporary, beautiful line. It ends at the dark, mysterious seafloor, miles below the surface. And in a way, it ends at the shore where we stand, connecting our world to its vast, deep secrets. The ocean's endings are not just points on a map. They are dynamic, fascinating places that remind us of how complex and wonderful our planet truly is. Thanks for joining this deep dive with me. If you're as fascinated by our planet as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.